everyone. Welcome to Introduction to Web Development, Computer Applications in Business. Today, I'm going to show you how to access the PHP book once you have successfully created an Open Library account. Okay, so once you have successfully created the Open Library account, what you're going to want to do next is you're going to want to log in. So to do that, you're simply going to click on Login, and you're going to type in your information that you use to create the account. Once you're in, you will now have access to Open Library's entire database where you can decide which book you would like to utilize. In the case of our class, CIS 102, you're going to type in PHP. Once you type in PHP, all the PHP books is going to come up that you will be deciding on which one to use. In our case, the book that we're going to use is the PHP 3rd edition, Learn PHP the Quick and Easy Way by Larry E. Ullman. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see here PHP for the Web by Larry E. Ullman, which is the 2nd edition. You're going to see that there's a waiting list. Don't worry about it. You simply can click on join waiting list. And then the waiting list really only applies if you want to borrow the book. In the case of our class, you can actually read the book right from the web. Okay, so we're going to click on read ebook. Once you click there, you will have access to the ebook over the web. You can actually download this ebook and set it up on what's known as an Adobe Editions editor. From here, you have the ability to scroll through the pages by clicking left, all right, or right, whatever the case may be. And what I want you to do for this week's assignment or lesson is I want you to really focus on chapter 1, getting started with PHP. So chapter 1 is going to go over the basics XHTML syntax, the basic PHP syntax, testing your script, sending text to the browser, sending HTML to the browser, using white space, adding comments to scripts, and basic debugging steps. So you're going to flip through and you're going to start with chapter 1. So what I really want you to do, and this is what this week's quiz is also going to focus on, I want you to read chapter 1 and take notes on it and really start to get a good understanding of PHP. So this chapter talks about what is PHP, talks about why use PHP. It even talks about how PHP works and how PHP is similar but very, very different from HTML. So that is how you can access the book that I am asking for you to utilize for this week. So it's free to get this book and to use it. And when you're done, you just X out, you log back into this website every single time. So this is the book that we're going to be utilizing until the end of the semester. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand how to access Open Library and how to get the book that is required for you to complete this week's lesson. And what I'm asking that you do is that you read the introduction and chapter 1, which goes over every single thing that you're going to need to get started with PHP. All right. Thank you.